Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter differential equation. Okay, now Brahmanath Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. My dear students, what is differential equation? Okay, differential equation indicates the word, the literal meaning of the differential equation means equations involving derivatives. Okay, equations involving derivative is called differential equation. So what is definition? Definition of the differential equation, that is equations contains dependent variable independent variable and different means derivative or that is differential coefficient of independent variable with respect to or RRT short form with respect to what with respect to, that is equation contains dependent variable, independent variable and derivative of differential coefficient of dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called or are called differential equations. Okay, suppose the function is y equal to f of x, then x is called independent variable and y is called dependent variable. That means if y equal to f of x, where what is x? X is independent variable, y is dependent variable because the value of y depends on x. Okay, now some example of differential equation. Examples of differential equation. Example, dy by dx. Example is dy by dx plus x is equal to 0. Number 2, d square y by dx square plus 2y or plus 2y is equal to 0, etc. This is called ordinary differential equation. Types of differential equation. There are two types of differential equation. Number 1, ordinary differential equation, and number 2, partial differential equation. In our syllabus only ordinary differential equation. As per our syllabus we will discuss ordinary differential equation. What is ordinary differential equation and what is partial differential equation? In ordinary differential equation, it has only one independent variable. Okay, dependent variable more than one. The partial differential equation it has more than one independent variable. Okay, these are the definition, example and types of the differential equation. Now what is degree of the differential equation, and then what is order of the differential equation? Order of differential equation it is the highest order derivative present in the differential equation. The highest order derivative, the highest order derivative of the differential equation is called its order. Highest order derivative is called the order of the differential equation. देखो ये कौन कहूँ dy by dx, this is first order d hala first order derivative, and d square y by dx square, this is second order, dq y by dx cube, this is what, third order, like this. So for example write the examples, write the order of the differential equation. The differential equation. Number 1, this is question. Number 1, d fourth y by dx fourth plus x is equal to d8 y by dx 8. Here order is 4, here order is equal to 8. So what is the highest order? That is 8 is the highest order. So order is here, order is equal to what? 8. Number 2, dq y by dx cube plus x dy by dx is equal to 5. What is order of the differential? Here order is what? Here order is equal to 3, because 3 is highest order. Okay, this is order of the differential equation. Order of the differential equation माने highest order केते अछि सेटा होछि order of the differential equation. एबे कोन करबो? What is degree of the differential equation? Degree of the differential equation. Now degree of the differential equation. Degree of the differential equation. Degree of the differential equation. What is degree of the differential equation? It is the power of highest order. The power of highest order derivative after removing the radical sign, that is fraction powers. Radical sign means fraction power. Okay, and the power of highest derivative after removing the radical sign and the polynomial, the derivative, the differential equation is polynomial of derivative, and the differential equation should be in polynomial of derivative, in polynomial of derivative, polynomial of the, what is the power of highest order derivative after removing the radical sign, and the differential equation should be in polynomial form of derivative, is called degree of the differential equation, degree of the differential equation. Now see some examples, example of the differential equation, degree of the differential. Example, write the degree of the differential equation. Number 1, dqy by dxq plus x into dy by dx whole to the power 10 is equal to y. जो ठू ऑर्डर बाहर करिया तार पावर केते अछि से जा होची डिग्री. तो ऑर्डर केते अछि, ऑर्डर 3, आर पावर केते अछि 1, यार हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर 3 अछि ता पावर केते अछि 1. सो डिग्री is equal to 1. Okay, degree is 1. Now another example, this is question, another example, that is dqy by dxq plus d fourth y by dx fourth to the power 7 is equal to 1. 8 order code 4, highest order 4, ता power के 7. Here degree is what? Degree is equal to 7. Now some questions related to order and degree of the differential equation. Now the question is write order and degree of the differential equation. Okay, solution is what? Solution that is here derivatives are in polynomial function. It polynomial function type अछि ना derivative जगह x कथा कहूनी derivative जगह polynomial type अछि. तो एटा किछ तो करिया दरकार नै, polynomial type होई अछि. तो अब देखियो पड़ियो ऑर्डर केते, एटा ऑर्डर केते 2. तो सॉल्यूशन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पई क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 रो सॉल्यूशन. तो इट इज इन polynomial form. सो केते हाईएस्ट टाइम डेरिवेटिव केते रहिछ, हाईएस्ट टाइम 2 टाइम्स होछ. सो ऑर्डर केते, ऑर्डर 2. तार पावर केते अछि फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन रो 1 अछि. तो डिग्री केते हबो, डिग्री हबो 1. नाउ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ओवर. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, it is polynomial form, yes or no? No, because it is in the square root form. एटा polynomial form नहीं, radical sign अच्छी. radical sign माने fraction power, root over माने half 1/2 power. So first time कौन करिबा एटा एपट नहीं squaring करियो पड़ियो. तो for solution 2 it is not in polynomial form. We have to reduce or we have to find or we have to remove the fractional power. So we can write here y minus x into d, solution number 2, y minus x into dy by dx is equal to what? 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Okay, now squaring both sides, squaring both sides. So y minus x into dy by dx whole square is equal to what? 1 plus dy by dx whole square. 8 highest time केथर डेरिवेटिव इज 1 टाइम dy by dx प्रेजेंट. तार पावर केते अछि, तार पावर 2 अछि. तो ऑर्डर हबो थरे डेरिवेटिव अछि थर्ड 1 हाईएस्ट, एंड डिग्री तार पावर केते अछि 2 अछि. and degree habo 2. Question number 2 over. Now question number 3. Question number 3. For question number 3, sin of dy by dx plus 1 is equal log of x square into d square y by d square plus y. एटा पॉलिनोमियल फॉर्म नहीं, sin log और कंटेन करछ कि आमे पॉलिनोमियल फॉर्म को रिड्यूस कर परिबानी. वी कैन नॉट रिड्यूस इनटू पॉलिनोमियल फॉर्म, सो इट्स डिग्री कैन नॉट बी डिटरमाइन. बट ऑर्डर इज व्हाट? केते थरा डेरिवेटिव हाईएस्ट टाइम इज 2 टाइम्स. तो ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू 2 and degree cannot be determined. Degree cannot be determined because it is not in polynomial form, because it is not in polynomial form. एटा polynomial form नहीं, तेणु आम डिग्री बाहर कर ऑर्डर बाहर सब बाहर पड़ो. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 is over. Now question number solution of question number 4. It is what? Exponential form. Okay, exponential form. It can be, that is what? Solution of 4, that is what? E to the power d square y by dx square is equal to 7. log ने लिखा था वो log 7 base is equal to d square by dx square. Okay, whole to the power 7 here, whole to the power 7, whole to the power 7. देखो ये आमरो नंबर्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल फॉर्म थाउ न थाउ किसी मैटर नहीं. डेरिवेटिव फ्री ही पड़ुनी. log 2 sin 2 फ्री, एक्सपोनेंशियल रू एटा एक्सपोनेंशियल रू फ्री ही गला. dy by dx डेरिवेटिव फ्री हेबा दरकार. नंबर जा log 5 थाउ इन डजंट मैटर. नंबर से log थाउ, sin थाउ, cos थाउ, e टू द पावर थाउ, किसी मैटर नहीं. डेरिवेटिव सब फ्री कर परियार अछि. जदि डेरिवेटिव फ्री हो पाउछि सेठी डिग्री एक्जिस्ट. जदि डेरिवेटिव फ्री हो पारुने डिग्री कैन नॉट बी डिटरमाइंड. ए डेरिवेटिव फ्री हो गला तो हाईएस्ट टाइम डेरिवेटिव कता हिची 2. ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू t टू तार पावर जोठू ऑर्डर करछ तार पावर हला डिग्री. जोठू ऑर्डर बाहर करछ तार पावर कोन अछि 7. तो डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 7. दिस इज 4. नाउ 5. This is what? 5 is x, that is what? 7 by 2. Solution of 5, that is what? 7 by 2 present. So fractional power remove कले आमको कौन करियो पड़ो? होल स्क्वायर करियो पड़ो. तो x plus d square y by dx square whole cube to the power what? Square is equal to what? Is equal to 1 by d q y by dsq. Okay, dsq whole to the power what? Whole to the power, that is 7. तो ऑर्डर केते बाहची? ऑर्डर केते थर अधिक डेरिवेटिव इज 3 टाइम्स. एडे 2 टाइम्स डेरिवेटिव, एडे 3 टाइम्स डेरिवेटिव. की अधिक? 3 टाइम्स. तो केते थर हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव अछि सेटा होछि ऑर्डर. सो ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू 3. जो ठू ऑर्डर बाहर कल तार पावर केते अछि 7. सो डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 7. ओके, दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. 5 is over. Now question number 7. Now question number 7. Now question number 7. Question number 7. Tan inverse, that is tan inverse here present. Tan inverse what? Root over dy by ds is equal to x. एटा को dy by ds को हम रिमूव कर परिबा. tan inverse अपन ने जो root over dy by dx. root over dy by dx is equal to what 10x x सहित सी 10 था कौन था लॉग था चलो डेरिवेटिव फ्री होबार अच्छे हो गला ये रूट स्क्वायर रूट अच्छी रूट ओवर अच्छी स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड कले के dy by dx इज इक्वल टू व्हाट 10 स्क्वायर x आर ऑर्डर केते थरे डेरिवेटिव ऑर्डर 1 तार पावर केते अछि 1 तो डिग्री 1 नाउ 6 is over now solution of 7 solution is 7 what is question number 7 that is equal to d square y solution of 7 d square y by dx square 3y plus what dy by dx root over what root over d square y by dx square फास्ट आम स्क्वायरिंग करिया पड़ो रेडिकल साइन अच्छी तो स्क्वायरिंग कले केते होची डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर एंड दिस इज 3y प्लस डी वाई बाई डी एक्स होल स्क्वायर बाई डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर एटा सिंप्लीफाई कर एटा एपट मल्टीप्लाई कले केते होची डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर पावर 3 इज इक्वल टू 3y dy by dx होल स्क्वायर तो हाईएस्ट टाइम डेरिवेटिव केते रही 2 टाइम्स तो ऑर्डर हम 2 ऑर्डर है 2 ये बाहर कली जो ऑर्डर बाहर कला तार पावर केते से डिग्री तो डिग्री होची केते 3 दीज आर सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ ऑर्डर एंड डिग्री ऑफ द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस how to form differential equation, that is formation of differential equation. Now formation of differential equation, formation of differential equation, how to form the differential equation of an equation. Let step 1 write the given equation, Step 2 count the number of arbitrary constants. Write the given equation and consider this is equation 1. Now count the number of arbitrary constants. Suppose there are n arbitrary constants. So step 3 differentiate equation 1 with respect to x n times. We get n equations, n plus 1 equations including given equation. Now step 3 using the equations eliminates. This is an given equations. Okay, given equation. Now third step is using the equations eliminate all arbitrary constant using suitable method. After elimination, step 4. After elimination of all arbitrary constants, we get the differential equation. Okay, this is the process, steps how to form the differential equation. Okay, now some questions related to formation of differential equation. Form the differential equation y equal to a cos x. First question, here solution. The answer is what? Y is equal to, first question number 1, y is equal to a cos x. This is equation 1. Here number of arbitrary constant is what? Number of arbitrary constant. Here a is arbitrary constant, so number of arbitrary constant is 1. So differentiate given equation 1 once. So differentiate both sides with respect to x, what? dy by dx, or we can write y1 is equal to what? y1 is equal to a into minus sin x. That is y1 is equal to what? Minus a sin x equation 2. एटा कौन कले एलिमिनेट हम डिवाइड करदे हम ना ए रे वैल्यू पुट कले भी हम. तो डिवाइड इक्वेशन 1/2 और 2/1 डिवाइड एलिमिनेट केमिति कल हम सेटा इंपोर्टेंट. तो डिवाइड इक्वेशन 2 बाय इक्वेशन 1. तो कौन आसियो? दैट इम्प्लाइज y1 by y is equal to minus a sin x by a cos x. a एलिमिनेट हेगला नहीं हेगला. तो कौन आसला? दैट इज y1 is equal to minus 10x into y, or we can say y1 plus y 10x is equal to 0. y means what? y1 means dy by dx plus y 10x is equal to 0. This is differential equation. Okay, so first here y equal to a cos x, number of arbitrary constant is 1, so there find derivative of the function using derivative function with respect to x only once, because number of arbitrary constant 1. गोटे आर्बिट्रारी कांस्टेंट अच्छे सिंगल, तो सिंगल टाइम डेरिवेटिव करिवो. तापरे एटा को एलिमेंट कौन कल हबो इंपोर्टेंट. जणे कहबो मु डिवाइड करबी, जणे कहबो मु एठो ए वैल्यू पुट करी ए वैल्यू बाहर करबी इक्वेशन 1 to 8 पुट करबी हे परिवो. ओके, देन सॉल्यूशन 2. देन सॉल्यूशन 2, y is equal to what? y is equal to a e to the x plus b e to the minus x equation 1. Okay, difference number of arbitrary constant a and b, दीटा arbitrary constant अच्छी. तो first find y1, first derivative a into e to the x minus b into e to the minus x equation 2. Now again differentiate, because there are two arbitrary constants. दीटा arbitrary constant दिथर derivative काढियो पड़ियो. तो y2 is equal to what? y2 is equal to a e to the what? x plus b e to the minus x equation 3. ये देखो कौन हो, एटा रिप्लेस हो पारिबो ना, या वैल्यूटा ये अच्छी. तो आम पुट कर परिबा, दैट इम्प्लाइज y2 is equal to what? y. This is differential equation, or we can write what? d square y by, or we can write d square y by dA square is equal to y. This is differential equation. Okay, differential equation. So question number 2 is over. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. Solution of 3. So what is given? Sin inverse x minus sin inverse y is equal to a. Here number of arbitrary constant kete? Number of arbitrary constant 1. This is equation 1. Differentiate with respect to x, 1 by root over 1 minus x square minus 1 by root over 1 minus y square into dy by dx is equal to 0. So this is differential equation. Okay, or we can write here, that is what, minus 1 by root over 1 minus y square dy by dx is equal to minus of root over 1 minus x square. So minus minus cancel. So dy by dx is equal to what? Root over 1 minus y square by root over 1 minus x square. This is differential equation. Question number 3 is over. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Now question number 4. Y is equal to what? A sin inverse x plus b cos inverse x. This is equation 1. Number of arbitrary constant what? A and b. Dita number of arbitrary constant अच्छी तो हमको दी थर डेरिवेटिव काढ़िया पड़े. First find y1. y1 is equal to a into root over 1 minus x square plus minus b by root over 1 minus x square. तो कौन करिबा एटा इजी ही परिबो. एलसीएम नै जो y1 is equal to a minus b by root over 1 minus x square और y1 into root over 1 minus x square is equal to a minus b. Okay, squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. कितना आसो? Now y1 square is equal to 1 minus x square is equal to a minus b whole square. Okay, now differentiate both sides with respect to, differentiate again with respect to x. कौन पाई कले? दीटा arbitrary constants. तो u into b formula 1 minus x square derivative of y1 square 2 y1 into y2 plus y1 square into derivative of 1 0 2x x square 2x but minus here, so minus 2x is equal to 0. तो common होची 2y1 common 1 minus x square into y2 minus x into y1 is equal to 0. That implies what? 1 minus x square into y2 minus xy1 is equal to 0. This is differential equation. Or you can write 1 minus x square into d square by dx square minus x into dy by dx is equal to 0. This or this answer. This is question number, solution of question number 4. Now question number 5. Now question number 5, solution of question number 5. Y is equal to what? Ax square plus bx plus 3. This is question number 1. Equation 1, sorry. This is equation 1. Number of arbitrary constant 2. A and b, 2 arbitrary constant. So find y1, derivative of y with respect to x. So this is 2x plus b. Again differentiate y2 is equal to what? 2a. Okay. So find, this is equation 2 and this is equation 3. Now we have to cancel the arbitrary constants. Put y is 2a equal to y here, or we can write equation 2 into x minus equation 1. Equation 3 into x minus equation 2. आपको x रे मल्टीप्लाई करिबा तो केता आउसिटी ना x into y2 minus y1 is equal to 2x minus 2x minus b. So goes cancel. That implies what? X into y2 minus y1 is equal to minus b. Okay, minus b. So again we, this is equal to, this is minus b. Here a and b are obtained. Put values of a and b in equation 1. This is equation 4. Put this is put values of a and b in equation 1. equation 1 put करिबा तो और equation 2 पोस्ट करबे हबो a रो b वैल्यू equation 2 रे पोस्ट करबे चलियो तो व्हाट हैपेंस a वैल्यू b वैल्यू ओके a वैल्यू b वैल्यू बाहरला 8 पोस्ट करबे चलियो दैट इज व्हाट दिस इज इक्वल टू पुट इन इक्वेशन 2 तो केता आसबेठी ना y1 दैट इज 8 दुटा नै कि सॉल्व करली इक्वेशन 3 रे पोस्ट करो 1 रे तो y इज इक्वल टू व्हाट a मींस व्हाट a मींस y2 by 2 into x square. b means what? b means this is minus b, so b means what? Minus b means what? This is value of b is what? b is equal to and b is equal to y1 minus xy2. Okay, so plus y1 minus xy2 plus 3, this is y is equal to, okay, so and arrange and simplify this, that is 2y is equal to x square y2 minus what? Minus what? This is xy2, okay, value of y, this is y1, correct, xy2, this is xy2 and 2xy2 plus what? 2y1 6. Okay, taking LCM here 2y x square y2 2y1 minus what? 2xy2 plus 6, so that is what? 2y is equal to common here x square minus 2x into y2 plus 2y1 plus 6. This is the differential equation. Okay, now another equation. Differentiate, that is obtain differential equation of all circle of radius r. Here radius is fixed, r is fixed, so solution equation of circle whose radius is r, center may be vary, okay, radius r, center may be vary, so centers may be vary, that is equation is what? Center may be varies, that is equation is what? X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. Center is at a comma b. This is equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. 2 into x minus a plus 2 into y minus b is equal to 0 into dy by ds. Okay, into dy by ds is equal to 0. That implies x minus a plus 2 into 2 common cancel, so y minus b into dy by ds is equal to what? 0. Then again differentiate both sides with respect to x. Again differentiate both sides with respect to x. Again differentiate both sides. Again differentiate both sides with respect to x. This is equation 2. Okay, so this is what? 1 and this is u into v. dy by dx into dy by dx with u plus u dv y minus b into d square y by dx square is equal to 0. So this is what? That implies 1 plus dy by dx whole square plus y minus b into d square y by dx square is equal to 0. Okay, now this is equation 3. From equation 3 y minus b is equal to what? From 3 y minus b is equal to what? Minus of 1 plus dy by dx whole square, dy by dx whole square by d square y by dx square. This is equation 4. Putting the value of y minus b in equation 1, we get value of x minus a. Putting the value of y minus b in equation 1, we get the value of b. Now putting the value of b, y minus b, putting value of y minus b in equation 2. So x minus, that is place x minus a whole square, sorry, y equation 2 means what? X minus a plus this is the equation 2. Y minus b means what? Plus minus minus here, so minus 1 plus dy by dx whole square by d square y by dx square is equal to what? Is equal to 0. So that is equal to x minus a is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square by d square y by dx square. This is x minus a. Putting the values of x minus a and y minus b in equation 1, we get the required differential equation. Okay, now putting the value of y minus b, that is what? Value of y minus b equal here, value of y minus b here, from 4 this is 5 and 4 is what? Right, 4. So 4 is what? Y minus b is equal to minus of here, minus of 1 plus dy by dx, 1 plus dy by dx by d square y by dx square. This is what? Equation 4 here. Now erase this. Now putting the value of x minus a and y minus b in equation 1. Putting x minus a and y minus b in equation 1. So what is value of x minus y? This is 1 plus 1, putting this value 1 plus dy by dx by d square y by dx square, this whole square and this whole square, and y minus b. Y minus b means what? 1 plus dy by dx. This is 1 plus dy by dx. 1 plus dy by dx. This is value of this 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Correct? 1 plus dy by dx whole square. So this is 1 plus dy by dx whole square divided by this whole square, divide by what? Divide by d square y by dx square whole square is equal to r square, and simplify this. This is the differential equation and simplify it. Okay, after simplification we get the required differential equation. Form the differential equation of y equal to a to t plus b a to t. Solution. So answer is given equation y is equal to a into t plus b into 2t. This is equation 1. Now y1 is equal to what? A into the t plus 2b into 2t, equation 2. Now here number of arbitrary constant is what? Number of arbitrary constant is 2, so differentiate 1 again 1 once. y2 is equal to a e to the t plus 2b into e to the 2 is equal to, this is equation 3. ओके ये केतटा आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट दीटा अच्छे दीथर डेरिवेटिव काढ़ी मत ए बी को एलिमिनेट करियो केमती एलिमिनेट करी देख इक्वेशन 3 माइनस इक्वेशन 2 कर दियो इक्वेशन 3 माइनस इक्वेशन 2 कौन आसी एटार एटा माइनस कर तो y2 माइनस केते आसला y2 माइनस y1 एटा कैंसिल हला एटा दिस इज 4 नॉट 2 सो रहिला केते 2 into b e to the 2t. Now equation 3 equation 2 minus equation 1 करो equation 1 कले केता आसी एटारो माइनस एटा करवा ओके y1 माइनस y ये कैंसिल हला रहिला केते b e to the केते 2t b e to the 2t तो आइठी b e to the 2t रे वैल्यू पके दियो b e to the 2t hala this is equation what 4 and this is equation 5 so put value of this is y minus y1 is equal to this so put use equation 5 in equation 4 so y2 minus y1 is equal to 2 into y1 minus y. So y2 minus y1 is equal to y1 minus 2y. So y2 minus 3y1 plus 2y is equal to 0 is the differential equation. Okay, is the required differential equation. This is one kind, one method. Or you may do from eliminate a b. Eliminate a into e to the t from equation 1 2 3. Eliminate a into a to the t and b to the 2t from 3 equations. आम डिटरमिनेंट मेथड करि परिबा कोन अछि सेट्रे y रो को y लिखिबा ओके y लिखिबा तापर कोएफिशिएंट केते अछि ठी तार कोएफिशिएंट अच्छी माइनस लिखा माइनस ओके माइनस ए लिखा माइनस बी वाई टू टी कैंसिल होगा तो आर कोएफिशिएंट होची केते ई टू टी सेपट गले केते होची -1 एटा सेपट गले सो -1 एंड दिस इज y1 ए टू टी रो कोएफिशिएंट सेपट गले केते होची ए ई टू टी टा सेपट जो माइनस ए टू टी होची तो -1 एटा सेपट गले -2 होची ओके थर्ड टा कोन होची y2 रहिला एटा सेपट गले -1 into ए टू टी सो -1 हला एटा -4 हला दिस इज इक्वल टू 0 दिस इज इक्वल टू 0 तो माइनस गोटे कॉमन काट देले केते होची प्लस हे जो एटी माइनस माइनस तो y1 1 1 ओके देन y1 1 1 2 this is y2 1 4 and find this eliminate this so y into what y into ये गला 4 minus 2 minus 1 into देखो एटा गला -1 into 4 minus 2 okay so -1 into what 4y1 minus 2y2 4y1 minus what 2y2 then plus 1 into ये गला केतला y1 minus y2 is equal to 0 एटा सिंप्लीफाई कर दियो या सहित मैच हो जिवो तो केते हो जेडी 4y minus 4 minus 2 that is 2y एटा केते होछ -4y1 plus 2y2 okay then what plus y1 minus y2 is equal to 0 तो फर्स्ट होची y2 minus 3y1 plus 2y is equal to 0 एठू आमे ए तीनटा इक्वेशन रू एमिति भी करि परिबा ओके दुईटा मेथड रे अछि नाउ in this class we discuss what is differential equation and what is order of differential equation, what is degree of the differential equation and how to form the differential equation of the given equation. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.